Hello everyone, so welcome again to RBSL free tutorial. So in today's lesson, I'm just going to show you a quick way on how to build your website using a CMS such as WordPress, which is one of the most powerful website builder that is available in the market right now and is quite used by a lot of people. And you will see here that it will provide you with a lot of options without you needing to code, guys. You won't need to code. And that's the great thing about WordPress. You are not necessarily needed to be a coder or a programmer, but it will give you a lot of options here that will fit your services or your business so that you can visually give your stories to your future clients or customers. So let's move on to the procedures on how you will be able to create your first website here, guys. So first thing that you might need to use will be to have your email account. Of course, go to wordpress.com, and then we will choose the type of website that you would want to create. Then we'll choose a free domain name for the meantime. So this will be for free, guys. You won't need to pay for anything, and your website will still be published. It may have certain limitations, but at least you will already have quite an overview on how you can start the design of your website. So the other next thing that we would want to do here will be to choose a free theme that you can use and start editing for you to publish your initial design for your website. Okay, so let's go and click on the command button here, start your website, or the button in the middle of the when you go to wordpress.com, you will see that. So it will redirect you to the sign up form or sign up page here, sign up page. So you will see you will be required to go and fill out your email address here. So or choose a username, choose a password, or you can use your email, which is with the use of Google, or continue with Apple. So I can actually just maximize the use of my RBSL travels at gmail.com. Then I would want to go and RBSL travels. Now I've typed my password here, guys. I'm just going to create my account. Then you will see here it will ask you for a site domain or enter your site's name or some keywords that describe on so that you would be able to start your website here. So I want it to be RBSL Travels. RBSL Travels. Okay, so you would see that it will give you some options here. Get a free 1-year domain registration with any paid plan. So that means you would need a domain name, guys, if you would want to access some of the advanced features such as this, guys. And for your website to be more professional, I will really recommend that you purchase a domain name. Okay. So right now we have here rbsltravels.com or rbsltravels.blog. So for now, I don't have the money yet for me to be able to buy the domain. So let's say, for example, you're still testing it out and you wanted to first initially create the design of your WordPress site. Then, so you can just go and select the free option here. But the problem with that will be it will have the WordPress.com extension. Now, guys, what we want to choose here will be the free one. So at least you would have an idea in the future if you want to go and get a certain plan. So you can actually go and remove that WordPress.com by choosing a plan. Okay, so let's select the free one here. So at least you will be able to go and be able to publish your website even though it's for free. Okay, so we have your personal, premium, business, e-commerce, and there are a lot of features here. So for now, I don't want to choose any of these plans for now. I just want to start with a free site. So I'm going to click on that. So if you go to your email, you would see that WordPress has had sent a activation link. So you can actually go and click welcome to wordpress.com, click the button below to confirm your email address and activate your account. So after you confirm your account, come back and check your inbox for your WordPress.com welcome kit email. It includes all the information you need to get started, including a simple 5-step process to get your site launched quickly and a boatload of free marketing tips to help you drive traffic to your site. So we can actually go and do that. Now we are here in our um, WordPress site, guys, you would see that we have here confirm your email. We've already done that here. We've activated that, and we now have our WordPress.com link. So it says here, congratulations, we now have your rbsltravels.wordpress.com is up and running. This email has all of the things that you will need. So the resources are 100% free and even include a free bonus as a special thank you for joining WordPress.com. So you'll get access to 3 marketing courses that are overflowing with many of the most important marketing tips we've discovered over the years. So wow. So that's great, right, guys? You even get some free courses here. So let's go and check that out. First, click the button below and log into your account with your username, RBSL Travels, or your email address to manage your site. Actually, we're already there, guys. So you would see that this is where we can manage our site. We have the stats and insights. You would see on how many visitors have gone to your website. As you can see here, we have some posts and pages, referrals, countries, clicks, authors, search terms, file downloads, and videos. So, but for now, guys, what I want to do here is to first go and choose a design for my website. So we can see here on the left pane here, we have the plan, which is for free. We have the site. This is where you can actually go and create pages for your website. So you can see we have an initial 4 pages, the home page, the about page, the contact page, and the blog. And we have post here from where you can create some blogs that you can include into your pages. We also have our media here from where you can download or upload some of your photos and videos and audio files that you can use in your website. We have comments, and we also have no comments yet. We have feedback here, but one of the things that we would want to use here for now will be to customize our website so that we can have some sort of themes here. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of themes that we can maximize and use here. So you can actually go and click on some of the tutorials that are being shown here, some quick tips. You can also drag and drop image and video files from your computer into your media library. So you can see there. Once you upload the file, you can edit its title, add caption, and even do basic photo editing. To find this option, click on this file to select it. Right, guys? But I don't want that because I'm going to be for travel blog, and I want to go and see some more of the advanced themes here besides from the initial themes that are here in some of our recommended themes here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on free, of course, because we have all that will show you most of all of the themes that are available. And we have premium for the premium account. So you would see that these are paid themes that you can use, and you will see that we have some sort of amount here that will give you an idea on on how much that theme will cost you. But for now, guys, we'll focus on the free themes. Okay, so you see, once you upload the file, you can edit its title, add caption. Oh, we're already done with that. So let's go and look for a travel blog. So we want here travel themes that showcase your favorite photos and have widgets and menus. So let's go do that. Sorry, I don't want that. Travel themes. So here are some options that we have here. So I'm just going to choose one, but you can choose whatever you want, guys. So I'm going to choose, I haven't tried this yet, but this can be good. Let me just see here, this one, it looks good. So activate this design, guys. Now we can try to activate this design, guys, by clicking on this activate this design for free. Yes, activate Kotor. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced. And then in a few seconds, guys, you will see that your site is already public. So just click on view site here. And there you go. You have your first website with a scrolling option here, completely responsive. If I go and resize the page here, let me just go and change that and resize it. You would see it's quite responsive already, guys. That's the great thing about WordPress, guys. It's so easy to build your website without you doing any coding. Okay, as you can see here, it's quite responsive if you go and change the site here, and you can actually test it out with F12 and try to test out using the different responsiveness here. Galaxy S5. Okay, that's how it will look with Galaxy S5. Pixel 2. We have here iPhone 5. Okay, so guys, and as you can see, you have a website now which is available for your customers to see without you having the need to code, right, guys? So that's quite a quick way to create your website. So let me just close this and go back here. Now what we can do next here is to customize our site. So just click on this button and that will redirect you to our page here that will allow you to go and customize some of the layout of your page. So you would see on the right pane here, we have a document tab here and a block tab. So if you select a block here, you would see that it will activate the block tab here from where you can adjust the percentage of the theme. The looks of this, guys, can vary depending on the theme that you have chosen from our theme options here, or the themes section here in our main site page or home page here. So one other way, guys, that you can go and customize your site here is to go to the customized section here on your left pane in our main page. From here, you can see the site identity, site title, if you want to change the site title here. So if we go here, guys, and try to preview and visit your site, you would see that we have here on our title bar site title, right? So from there, if I go here and I change the site title here to RBSL Travels, then save the changes here, and if I go and refresh this, you would see it has changed my title tab here. So you would see it has now changed to RBSL Travels. And by the way, guys, if we try to look at our website here, it has pre-arranged menus already. It generated menus that you can use and edit. So we have here the blog section, we have the about section, and the template even gives you an idea here, recommendation of what you could include in those specific pages, the information that you would want to create, the content. We also have the contact page here. Okay, so here you have ways on how to change the site title, RBSL Travels. I want that to be, let me just refresh this. Okay, now we can see that it's already capitalized here in the customizer. You can also select a logo if you already have a logo for your website. Let's do that later on. And you also can go to a website that allows you to create a logo. You would see here the logo maker, Luca, the website Luca, from where you can create a free logo, and it will give you some options here, or some suggestions. It will ask you what's your logo for. So that this is quite. I always suggest that you go and explore this. But let's go back here, guys. Now, if you try to look into the left pane here, it has a tagline. You can actually create a tagline for you. Live a life and explore, right? So this will have a tagline. You will see it's editing. It's placed here. Content text here. Now what we can do here is to go back and then try to check on the menus. You will see that we have some menus here. You can create a new menu if you want. and customize the menu that we have here. We also have here the social. What would you want to add as a custom link here? And we also have here, sorry, let's go back there. We also have here the CSS. If you wanted to go and customize the code, the CSS code or styling of your page, you can actually do that, but that will only be accessible in the premium features. So if you upgrade it, you will be able to tinker around with the CSS code of your web page here, the theme here. So we also have widgets. You can add some widgets in your website, homepage settings. So guys, we'll talk about this more detailed, but for now, I just want to first show you on how to launch your site. So what you just need to go or to do will be to go to your site tab here, your home, my home, and you will see here some of the site setup list. Launch your site. Currently, your site is private and is only visible to you. When you're ready, launch your site to make it public. So let's click on this and let's wait for, there will be an option page that will show you some of the options that you have if you want to launch your site already. So you will see here, enter a name or keyword for your site's name that describe it to get started. So far, I still don't want to purchase a plan, so I'll just select this, skip purchase, continue with your free site, and right now, we will be waiting for it to be published. Now you would see here, guys, that we have a message here that's saying that your site has been launched. So if we go to an incognito tab here and type rbsltravels.wordpress.com, you can actually see and access the website. Okay, so your site is now published. So now guys, if you don't want your page to be published yet, because we're still working on it and we still need to go and work on some of the contents, I'm going to need to go and unpublish it. So I'm going to go to manage here on the left pane, settings, and then you would see here the site title, site tagline, and then site address and privacy option. And I want it to be private for now because we're still working on it and I don't want people being able to access it for now. So I'm going to set it to private and save settings. Now if I try to log out, okay, I'm going to log out and then go to rbsltravels.wordpress.com. You would see this site is marked private by its owner. If you would like to view it, you'll need two things: a WordPress account and permission from the site owner. Now, that will be all for now. So next lesson, we'll try to work on further understanding the different features and how you can further customize the website that you have published or you have right now using WordPress. So thank you very much, guys, and see you on the next lesson.